Hey, what's up guys? Nick here with Sellers Arena. In this video, I'm going to be going into a new feature just introduced by Amazon in their advertising platform that is going to allow you to better or more easily pick which products you should be advertising. All right, so before I jump right into here, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we'll be making a lot more videos like this, and especially covering that new things that are continually coming out from Amazon. We want to make sure you guys stay on top of it. So definitely subscribe. But in the meantime, let's jump right into this. So this is something new that Amazon just released on April. Let me look at the article and we'll look at this too in a second. April 14th, 2022. So not too long ago. And it's a very simple little additional feature that they've added. And what it is, it basically, to this list right here where you're selecting the products to advertise, they've given you this suggested filter right here to only show suggested products. And what this basically is Amazon is saying it's using its machine learning to show you what are going to be the best products in your catalog to advertise. So this is going to be really important if you have a lot of products in your catalog and you're not sure which ones to advertise. This can help because you want to focus that ad spend to what is most likely going to convert. Okay, so Amazon is going to help you out with that, but this can help you get started and help you eliminate or cut out a lot of the noise if you do have a very large catalog. Okay, so basically what they're saying in here is, so why is this important? Including suggested products in your sponsored product campaigns can help you increase the chance of customers engaging with your ads. Okay, we use machine learning models to identify products with a high likelihood of being clicked on if advertised. We create this prediction based on information a customer can view about your product, such as description, imagery, and shopper reviews. So they're taking all that stuff into account before they show you which products that you should advertise. Okay, then it's just going to access it, etc., and where. But that's basically it. So again, if you guys do have a large catalog, try this out. If you're just getting your campaigns ramped up, or if you're adding in a lot more new products, it may be able to help you kind of figure out which ones you should start advertising, at least at first, and then maybe add in the other ones later. Especially if you've got really low reviews, depending on how competitive your category is, this could be very important to maybe wait on advertising some until you maybe first get some reviews, for example. Or if you have a low review rating, getting your review rating boosted up to at least maybe 4.5 stars, for example. All right, guys, so until next time, make sure you like the video if you got some value out of this. And again, subscribe so you can stay on top of more news and things that Amazon is rolling out. And I will see you in the next one.